Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious chocolate chip cookies. These cookies make the perfect gift to give to your family and friends this holiday season. But before we get started, I want to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring this video. Give yourself a gift this holiday season at the Home Depot. I found amazing deals on small kitchen appliances like this Ninja specialty coffee maker. I also found this KitchenAid stand mixer that is going to make making these delicious chocolate chip cookies even easier. And these cute holiday mugs that are perfect for all of our hot drinks. At the Home Depot, you get a wide assortment of on-trend products across different styles. The Home Depot has quality furniture and decor at the right price. Make sure to click the link in the description box to shop the Home Depot's final days to save. This promotion is running till December 20th. With that being said, let's make our family and friends these delicious chocolate chip cookies. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's get started. Because we're going to begin by placing our butter into our bowl, along with the white sugar. Now we're just going to cream them together. Okay, so once we have creamed our butter and sugar together, we're going to add our 2 eggs, along with our vanilla, and just mix until combined. Once combined, we're going to add our baking soda and salt, along with our flour. Mix on low speed and allow that to combine. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to add in our chocolate chips and just fold them in. Okay, and once we have added our chocolate chips, I'm just going to transfer my dough into a different bowl. Going to cover it, place it in the refrigerator, and allow it to chill for 30 minutes. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So once we have that going on, we are ready to shape our chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to be using my ice cream scooper. And you want them to be as even as possible to make sure that they're all even. Now I'm just going to roll it, just like that. Place it into a parchment paper lined baking sheet and repeat the process with the rest of our cookie dough. Okay, so once we have our cookie dough balls lining our baking sheet, we're going to bake them for 15 minutes. Okay, and after 15 minutes, our cookies are done. So now we're just going to allow them to cool down before we remove them from our baking sheet. Alrighty guys, and once our cookies have cooled down, we can get ready to enjoy them or place them in little tins if you're going to be giving them away. But I am so ready. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious chocolate chip cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And once again, I want to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.